guys, my name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today I'm going to be talking about how much I make in a week driving for Uber and Lyft. But before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and that would help us out so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. Now, let's get into my pay of how much I make each week driving for Uber and Lyft. So, since I work part-time for Uber and Lyft most of the time, I drive around, 20 to 30 hours a week. So I drive mainly in West LA, or at least that's where I start out. And after the day ends, which is like a 5 or 6 hour day, it averages out to like $20 an hour for the day. So that is in Los Angeles. Sometimes I will drive in Bakersfield, which is a lot slower. So it's like maybe $12 an hour if I drive for like 4 or 5 hours. If I'm lucky. It's just a lot slower there. Like not so many people are driving, or not so many people are taking Uber and Lyft in Bakersfield. However, in Los Angeles, it's hard to find parking. The traffic is crazy. People hate driving. So people are more likely to ride Uber and Lyft in Los Angeles. So that's why I prefer LA. I know a lot of Bakersfield drivers will head out to LA just to drive. And a lot of them head to the Bay Area too, but I have never driven in the Bay. I just heard it's really good money driving there. However, I'll talk about where I usually drive, and that is Los Angeles. So the average is usually $20 an hour. The average is usually $20 an hour. And basically this is how my day goes usually. So I'll wake up, I'll go to the gym. The gym will get me out of bed and up and awake. So I'll go to the gym, I'll go back home, shower, and I won't even do my makeup because I want to catch that surge. The surge happens around 7:30 to 9:30 in West LA. West LA and West Hollywood. Or it's pretty much the same thing. So the surge usually happens in Santa Monica and West Hollywood around 7:30 to 9:30. So once I catch that, it's like maybe 8 or 8:30, and I'll drive for 2 hours and I'll make my first $50 right there. Okay. Just driving for 2 hours. Then I go back home, do whatever I have to do. I'll shower, or I already did shower. So I'll go back home, do whatever I have to do, like put on makeup, do my hair, and then create content for YouTube videos if I need to do that. And then I'll get back on the road. And I usually drive for another 3 to 4 hours. So by the end of the day, it will average out to like $20 an hour. So driving 5 to 6 hours a day, I make $100 to $120. So I do this Monday through Friday. So Monday through Friday, at the end of the week, I've made about 500 or 600 bucks driving 25 to 30 hours. And so that is usually what I do. Recently, I drove in Bakersfield for the 4th of July, and that averaged out to $15 an hour. And it was 4th of July, so that was like a pretty busy night. However, I only drove 4 or 5 hours there, and it was like 15. If I know there's a popular event happening in town, especially in Bakersfield, then I'll like make the time to go out and drive just to earn some extra money. However, I don't usually bother when I'm in Bakersfield. If I'm in Los Angeles, like I told you, that's usually how my days go. Friday nights are busy, Saturday nights are busy, Sundays can be busy, and I feel like if you get the pass to be able to go to LAX, those are always really good rides. So like if you go to the waiting lot, like waiting lot C, wait there in the queue, and then you get a rider. Sometimes they'll take you down to like the South Bay, sometimes they'll take you to the Valley, which is a good like 15-mile ride. But if you're going down to Anaheim, that's like maybe a 25-mile ride. So I really like the LAX rides, like going to the airport and then heading back from the airport. Those are my favorite rides. And yeah, so that's what I make in a week. Dylan is gonna insert some screenshots for you to prove that that's what I make. I hope those little tips work out for you. LAX trips, catch the surge in the morning and at work too. 3:30 to 5:30 or 3:30 to 6:30. That's another surge time in West LA. And that's all I have for you. So thank you for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Talk to you guys soon.